So today I'll be showing you how to fix the screen color of your Galaxy Z TriFold. So whether you have a black and white screen like this one, or maybe you have a certain tint, a shade of color that you're not quite sure where it's coming from, here are a couple of things you can do. Number one is to go to settings. Under settings, you want to go to display. Under display, look at options like the eye comfort or adaptive color tone, and you want to first of all go ahead and turn all this stuff off. So turn off eye comfort shield, turn off adaptive color mode, and then you can go to screen mode, then choose natural. Make sure you have natural color selected and see if that's going to sort out your problem. Now if it doesn't, you can now try going to accessibility. So on the left hand side on the main settings menu, again go to accessibility and then go to vision enhancements, and you want to make sure you've turned all these vision enhancements off. So you have high contrast fonts, high contrast keyboard. You can go turning each of them off until maybe you sort your problem out, and then you know which one sorted out your problem. So go and turn all this stuff off. All right, especially the color filters. So you might have a problem with color filters, make sure that's off. You might have a problem with color correction, make sure that's off as well. And if you still have problems with your color, then the other culprit could be one of the modes and routines. Okay, so for instance, you might have sleep mode enabled, and when you enable sleep mode, it automatically turns on grayscale. Okay, so as you can see, I have sleep mode enabled. That's probably the reason. So what you need to do is turn off sleep mode, and to do that, just go to the quick settings, modes, and when I turn off sleep mode, you can see my color count back. And that's because I have that setting inside sleep mode. So I need to go to modes and routines, go to sleep, and check what happens when I turn on sleep mode. And you can see grayscale is on for sleep mode, and I can turn that off. All right, so it's going to be one of those many reasons. So check it out. I hope that those solutions help fix your problem. If you still can't fix your problem after doing all that, then you might need to reset all settings. Okay, now you can go into settings and then go to general management, tap on that, and then you want to go to reset and then tap on reset all settings, and this is going to reset all your settings on the phone. It's not going to delete your data or remove your account. It's just gonna reset all the settings back to their factory default. So if you want to do that, just go ahead and do that, and that's hopefully going to fix your problem. All right, let me know in the comment section which of these solutions helped to fix your specific issue. I hope you found this useful, and good luck.